Hello everyone, today I am going to bring you one way that you can improve your flight skills, a hack if you will, and that one way, very simply, is to join IGOW, internationalgameofwhoop.com. Preseason has already begun, so if you want to get started, now's the time. Matter of fact, I would encourage you all to not delay. Go over to International Game of Whoop, link down in the video description if you want to click that, and sign up right away. If you're not familiar with IGOW, IGOW is now on Season 6. It is run by Daniel Sagano, Skittles FPV, if you will. He also has some help from friends, I think, along the way. But it is an opportunity to get involved with an event with other people just like yourself. Completely free, 100% online. Improve your flight skills, connect with other people who like FPV, win prizes. Prizes, you don't even have to be good. Just showing up. I think they call them door prizes. If you just submit even a failure submission on the trick or whatever you're asked to do, you can still win a prize. Of course, if you're good, you can win prizes that way as well. So you can benefit in so many different ways without spending a dollar. And even if you only do it for a couple of weeks, I think it's well worthwhile. And I know there's a lot of people that are watching this video right now who have been a part of IGOW in the past and probably RaceGow and Tyrants Pro Whooper event. And go down in the comments, leave your thoughts. And if you're thinking about it and you're kind of wavering or waffling about whether you want to get involved in IGOW, go down to those comments section. Even if you only compete, like I said, for a couple of weeks, there is a great benefit. It provides you with the motivation to go fly. Sometimes we just need that little kick in the pants. It says, hey, I got a submission to go work on. I'm going to go do it. Now, if you're a beginner, that is the other thing to think about. If you're a beginner and you're thinking about tricks, you might be a little bit overwhelmed. Don't worry. Especially in the preseason, which has already started. The tricks start out at a pretty, basic level, and then you build upon that. So if you're just getting started in FPV, or you feel your flight skills are fairly modest, great. Jump right in. You're going to improve much faster than you think. Again, this is all free, all online. At the most, what it's going to cost you is a little bit of time, attention, and any whoops that you might break. That's the biggest cost to improving, is flying and crashing. But if you watch this channel, you probably know that oftentimes when I crash, I kind of laugh. I mean, as much as those bad crashes might hurt my heart a little bit, it's still kind of funny because it's just part of FPV. So I'd encourage you all, whether you've competed in the past, you're thought about competing and you haven't yet, or you're just getting started at FPV, go ahead, sign up for International Game of Whoop Season 6. Link in the video description. Type internationalgameofwhoop.com. and you can investigate further. The only thing that's required of you is your time, attention, and a whoop. That simple. And if you watch this channel, you've probably seen a dozen or so different whoop videos. Probably. Okay. I will hope to see you all there. I think there'll be many good times to coming, and I know that there'll be a lot of you that will progress much faster than you anticipate, and some of you will even surprise us all. So, internationalgameofwhoop.com. See you there.